Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to try this Mini Melly BB cushion. It's a full coverage BB cream in a cushion. So it retails for 274 pesos as of filming, and its description is this waterproof BB cushion lasts for up to 24 hours and it has SPF 30 PA+++ for all day sun protection. This cushion gives you flawless coverage look even from a close distance. So yan, as you can see, kita niyo naman ang aking mga imperfections sa aking face. Texture, pores, pimple marks, deep marks, acne marks, yan. Look at that. Yan yung talagang gusto kong kino-cover up. It also has 10 grams or 0.35 ounce. This is in the shade Natural, number 2. They have 3 shades, which is one light natural, then this one, and the third is beige. And I chose this shade. And how I wish this is close to my skin tone, lalo na nagaling ako ng outing and nag-beach kami, and so medyo darker yung aking complexion. Also, nag-check din ako sa FDA kung FDA approved ba to, and hindi ko nakita yung brand na to. So, good luck. Open na natin. Meron pa siyang plastic na cover. This is the cushion. Ito yung kanyang packaging. And as you can see, yung logo. And then sa likod, ayan na. So, let's open this up. Matigas. Yeah. So, when you open this up, naka-cover pa yung mirror niya. Just simply remove it. And yung kanyang puff, hindi siya circular puff. Meron siyang edge dito na perfect dito sa areas na to. So, nakita niyo meron siyang sariling lagayan. And that's very nice. So, makita nyo talaga na bago tong product na to. Meron pa siyang seal. So, remove din natin yung kanyang seal. And as you can see, ayan yung ating pinaka-cushion. Ang tagal na nung last gumamit ako ng cushion. So, let's see. Ayan. Dip it like that. Ooh. Hopefully, this is my shade match. Or not. Maputi siya sa akin. Pero sana yun. Maputi siya sa akin. So, good luck. Sana yung beige lang pala yung pinili ko. But let's see. By the way, ang nasa face ko lang kanina ay sunblock or yung sunscreen gel ko. Oh no. Dahil nag-brown out kanina, nakita nyo naman, tinanggal ko tuloy kasi akala ko naman matagal. So, ngayon, ibabalik ko siya para matapos na natin itong i-review today. Sana hindi na mag-brown out, no? So, same feels pag nilalagay na, alam mo, parang ayan na talaga yung product. So, medium coverage. Hindi niya naka-cover up ang ating deep marks dyan. Kasi deep pimple yung deep marks tawag ko siya. So, as you can see naman, yan. Maputi lang talaga siya sa akin. Pero, kung siguro medyo match ko to, okay siya. It definitely feels matte. Kasi ayan talaga siya sa, parang feel na feel ko yung patong niya sa aking face. Parang feel ko ang dry ng aking skin na hindi naman dry ang skin ko. Wala naman siyang kinikling on any parang patchiness or parang texture, wala naman. Kasi hindi naman dry ang skin ko, but parang pag nilalagay ko to, ngayon na nilalagay ko, it feels like na parang nagda-dry yung aking skin, aking face. Ito yung minimal sa aking face. Yes, disregard na lang talaga na maputi siya sa akin. Coverage-wise, medium. It feels dry. It feels matte. May konting lagkit feeling. Kaya parang feel na feel mo yung patong niya sa face. Magpa-powder ako para medyo hindi ganun kaputi. Okay? So, yung powder, itong ginagamit kong powder, definitely medyo makaka-help siya sa longevity nitong product. So, hindi na ako nag-concealer, pero my under eye feels so dry. So, yeah. So far, yan yung ating BB cushion. I'm kinda liking it now na meron ng color yung mukha ko. Parang feel ko long-lasting siya kasi ang matte niya, guys. We will see yung longevity niya. It's now 1:05 p.m. Check in again later. It's now 2:50 and medyo nag-oil up na yung T-zone ko. Pero parang yeah, it feels dry pa rin. Nakikita nyo yan, nagbubuo-buo na siya. Look at that under the eyes. Medyo drying siya sa skin kahit na parang hindi ganun ka-dry yung skin ko. Hi, I'm back. It's now 4:07 p.m. and ayun, as you can see, nag-oily na ako sa T-zone. I believe, feel ko lang kasi nasanay na ako sa base na hindi masyado matte, kaya parang naninibago na tuloy ako because this feels really matte. Yan o, di ba? It's just a preference. So, ayun. But, yes, the coverage is good. Feel ko long-lasting to. Kasi nga, ayan o, okay pa siya. Akala ko kanina, nung tinignan ko, parang medyo nagbabakbak siya dito. So, medyo lang naman. Hindi naman ganun ako ka-dry skin. Okay, yun lang. Siguro kung tumama yung shade ko dito, siguro ko yung 3, baka mas okay sa tingin ko. Hindi ko masyado feel itong product na to. Maybe, yun nga, preference-wise na lang din. So, let me know kung na-try nyo na yung product na to. So, yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!